Definitely we are coming here in summers. See?
What are you saying, crazy monkey? That has to be cut.
This smart girl is a little hustler.
We can stay.
Let's enjoy on this beach. Let me show you the view. We're almost there, and this is what we experienced. Turquoise blue water. I'm sure it would be fun to come here in summers as well, right?
Yeah.
Going there in our swimsuits, doing some snorkeling, right?
Yeah.
Definitely we are coming here in summers.
Hello.
Smugglers Bay! We are here! What are we smuggling here?
People.
You're smuggling people?
Yes.
That's what you used to do.
What are you saying, crazy monkey?
Come on. My audience doesn't know. They need to know something about you. She used to smuggle people. Let me tell them.
That has to be cut.
Why?
Say something positive.
That's just, the other side of yours, the hustling side. I love that side of yours. You're a hustler. We are finally at Smugglers Bay with a real life smuggler. This smart girl is a little hustler.
Keep talking. Keep talking. No swimming?
No, it's getting really cloudy. Plus it's windy. And obviously it's winters. We haven't bought any towel. So no point of risking it. Anyhow, we are going to stay here for one more day. So let's not take any random decisions. Oh, are you planning to go tonight?
Yeah.
Back to Auckland?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
It's just Saturday.
Oh, okay.
What do you want to do? Go back to the city life and party?
I'm a city dog.
You're a city girl?
Yeah.
And I was just thinking we could go for another hike tomorrow if you are in the mood of.
The hike is closed.
What hike is closed?
That mount.
We can go for another one. Like, we can find some random hikes. Hey, do not take shortcuts. Go from here.
Yeah.
Alright then. After this we go back to Auckland, I guess.
We can stay.
Huh?
We can stay.
We can stay, but do what? Okay, let's just do one thing. We won't go for another hike. What we'll do is we'll just camp somewhere tonight, some new place. You like camping, right? So we can do that. Probably somewhere around the beach or some lake. How about that?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. And for now, let's enjoy on this beach. Yeah.